Hello everyone, welcome to Homeopathy TSKM channel. Today I am going to teach you all about temperament. What is temperament? Temperament is the inherent qualities of mind and character which constitutes the disposition of an individual to behave in a particular manner or way. There are in total 5 types of temperament. First is phlegmatic. Second is melancholy. Third is choleric. Fourth is sanguine. And fifth is nervous. First, we are going to see phlegmatic temperament. The ailments for phlegmatic person is from mental work. They will have indolence and averse to work. They will be timid, blushful, dull and sluggish. They will have this one characteristic where peace at all costs. They will also be family orientated where they will have love towards their children and also towards their parents. They can easily get along with others where we can conclude that a phlegmatic person is a friendly person. Second temperament is melancholy. Ailments for melancholy patient is from grief. They will be brooding and have hypochondriasis. They will be a sentimental person and have unfortunate feeling. They will have suicidal tendencies and also will be a fastidious person. A melancholy person can be creative, faithful and also industrious person. Third temperament is choleric. Ailments for a choleric person is from anger and vexation. A choleric person will be goal-oriented person. They will be industrious and also impatient. They will have leadership qualities and also born to be a leader. A choleric person will be usually dominating, confident and also a good decision maker. Fourth temperament is sanguine. Ailments for sanguine person is from excitement and emotions. Sanguine person will be loquacious, careless and cheerful. They feel good to receive compliment and will be usually the center of attraction. They desire company and love to laugh. They will be usually an energetic person and also an enthusiastic person. The last temperament is nervous. Ailments for a nervous person is from crowd, business failure and anticipation. They will be usually restless and also have anxiety. They will also have confusion of mind. They have aversion to strangers and fear of opinions of others. Temperament and homeopathy. Each temperament has strength and their weakness. Each polycrash, there are temperament types and their combination. Temperament used in constitutional remedy selection. Homeopathy can diminish the weakness. In constitutional treatment, we need to select a remedy that is also in agreement with the temperament of the patient to cure the patient as a whole. To know more about the temperaments, y'all can watch Three Idiots movie. Dr. Virus or Dr. Viru as a choleric temperament in the movie. Rancho as sanguine temperament. Farhan has phlegmatic temperament in the movie. Raju will be a nervous person in the movie. And Joy Lobo will have melancholy temperament in the movie. So, to know more about temperament and easily to remember what is temperament, y'all can watch Three Idiots movie. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to Homeopathy TSKM channel.